Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use Tesco gift card online. Let's go. Open Tesco gift card website. Help. How to add Tesco gift card to Apple Pay. Press to balance, enter card number, enter PIN number, press check balance. After that, you will see the balance of your gift card and the Add to Wallet button. But you can use this gift card only in Tesco stores, online or in store, but only Tesco. That's it. Now you know how to use Tesco gift card online. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.